Welcome to this Google Sheets course. My name is Ruben and I'll be your instructor. I built this course to help marketeers, entrepreneurs and product managers, but really anybody who is working with Google Sheets will benefit from taking this course. The goal is really to become more efficient and go into the next level of your Google Sheets knowledge. We're really going to deep dive into the more advanced functions and skip the simple stuff such as adding and subtracting. The goal is really to be able to answer more complex business questions at the end of this course. To do that, we're first going to prepare a data set by going to look into importing, finding and editing data. This way we're going to cover advanced functions such as import HTML, import XML, concatenate and different regular extractions. The second part of the course will be to analyze that same data set. This way we can arrange, query and visualize that same data, again using a variety of advanced functions such as querying, sorting and filtering. To do this, we're going to look into a dataset that I'm going to share with you. And I'm also sharing a special G Sheet functions cheat sheet. That way you have all the advanced functions together and you'll have an easy way to figure out how these functions work and links to more info in case you get stuck. So my experience is as the head of growth within a startup. I manage the international and growth teams there and really work with Google Sheets day to day. I really started from scratch, so can understand the struggles that you might go through. And it's really my goal to get you to that next level and be able to analyze your own business, other businesses, or really solve any problem you have within Google Sheets. So with that being said, let's get started.